For the 2023 YZ450F, Yamaha engineers were tasked with improving on traditional strong points of broad, torquey power, plush suspension, and predictable handling, but with a distinctly rider-centric focus for the new model with a 5-pound weight reduction, increased control, and improved ergonomics. The end result is a lighter, more compact engine that reportedly pumps out even more power, improved handling with greater agility while still maintaining excellent stability, and a significantly lighter, slimmer body with enhanced ergonomics for greater control. Changes for the new YZ450F start with the engine. Completely redesigned for 2023, updates include new exhaust and intake port shapes, larger diameter titanium intake valves, new forged aluminum piston, new cylinder body, crankshaft, and balancer assembly, and a switch from wet sump to dry sump lubrication. The combined effect of these features is said to be more mid-range and top-end power, including a 500 revolutions per minute higher rev limit for longer over-rev and more linear output characteristics for increased rideability and control. Helping lay that power down to the rear wheel, a new cable-actuated clutch design replaces the coil springs of the previous model with a new disc spring and integrates primary gear and basket into a single steel unit. The result is a more compact, lightweight, and durable assembly. Additionally, a new tri-shaft transmission layout vertically stacks the transmission shafts, raising the center shaft and forming a triangle between the crank, drive shaft, and main shaft for a lighter, more compact transmission. Providing riders with the opportunity to fine-tune engine performance to their liking, Yamaha's Power Tuner app has been extensively revised for 2023, retaining the full functionality of the previous version but now even easier to use with more functionality. Engine mapping can now be made using an intuitive new slide bar. There is also a new lap timer, traction and launch control tuning, and bike setup guides. Additionally, a new lightweight handlebar-mounted switch allows on-the-fly selection of preloaded engine maps. The new traction control system communicates will slip to the ECU, tuning the engine to maintain ideal rear-wheel traction. 3 levels can be selected: high, low, or off. The updated launch control system now features an RPM limiter that can be adjusted in 500 revolutions per minute increments between 6,000 revolutions per minute and 11,000 revolutions per minute for optimized launches when the gate drops. Both systems are controlled through the Yamaha Power Tuner app.